Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daphne, popularly known as Real Daphne on YouTube. If this is the first time seeing me, hi. Without wasting any more time, we're going to need a razor blade. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm using the one for Supermax. A spoolie brush, any solid oil of your choice. So you're going to take your solid oil and apply. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. Yeah, I think that's better. And you're going to apply it. You're going to apply a generous amount of oil on your eyebrows. This will help to keep your eyebrows in place and you won't cut yourself. Then you're going to take a spoolie brush of your choice and brush your eyebrows up just like that. If this is your first time doing your own eyebrows, I suggest that you first go to get your eyebrows done. Once they are done, you can be able to get a defined shape that you'll be using. So let me get you guys closer. Hold your eyebrows up and start shaving. So this is how I'm holding my razor blade. You see, you can already see that I've already started. Just follow the shape of your eyebrows, guys.
I pull up in that Lamborghini, the doors in the sky. Should've straight up suicide you in that noob in the truck. No, in the truck, no. We do playing in that Versace.
You see?
We go to Abu Dhabi before happy. Yo, baby, my new guy.
Yeah, almost. And take time. There's no rush. Because number one, you don't want to cut yourself, and number two, you don't want to have eyebrows that look, I don't know how. It's not kasi juu yaje. See? It's even looking better. You're done with this side. We're going to repeat the same thing you did on this side to this other side. Apply a generous amount, guys, don't fear. And brush your eyebrows. As I said, guys, you can hold your razor blade anyway, as long as it's comfortable in your hands. So yes, don't forget to hold your eyebrows up. Yes, just like that.
Some problems back home. So I heat it up, I ain't with that bullshit at all. Maybe it's that Virginia in me. Say something. Have a young nigga go so hard. it all, you stuck with me. Through it all, you never ducked up like some cowards when they hit me. Give me, girl, I swear to God, you the real one, and you know it. And I don't hurt any one of y'all for the real one, and you know it. And now hold it down. Started from the bed, ended up on the floor. Then I lift that ass up off the ground. I'ma put you on my shoulders, let me give you what's in store. Girl, you deserve it. All the time you've been surfing away from the realest nigga in here. I'ma take you away. And I'll hold you down. I'ma hold you down. I'ma hold you down, baby. I'll hold you down. I'm the one gon' hold you down. I'm the one gon' hold you down. I'm on my way. I'm the one be rolling up in that Billy truck, so I'm rolling up. Want you right now. Right now. You the one got all I need. Give me all of you, all of me. But I'm on my way. I'm the one gon' hold you down. I'm the one gon' hold you down. I'm the one gon' hold you down. Put you in that go so you enjoy the town. Even when the roses die, you're mesmerized by the flying sky. We gotta socialize and cherish time. This shit is deeper than love. I pull up in that Lamborghini, the doors in the sky. Should've straight up suicide you in that new Bentley truck. No Bentley truck, no. Ooh, 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 ooh. We still playing in that Versace. We go
You see, it's getting the perfect shape. Let's see. Front.
Living expensive flight, and I'm just getting started. I get instant hype, cause you forever my lady.
You see, guys, I'm getting my desired shape right now. Do this step until you feel you're comfortable with the eyebrows, guys. No rush, no rush.
Some problems back home.
Yes. And now we are done. See how it looks? Better. Now we are officially done. So let me take you guys back so that you can see how it looks. See? Easy brow grooming at home. And voila. So guys, if you like this video and you enjoyed watching it, please like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you may be informed every time I post a video on my YouTube channel. Thank you for staying. I love you.